Hi, my name is Curtis and welcome to PhatKid Garage. In this series we're going to be working on a LeRoy. What's a LeRoy, you ask? That's LeRoy. LeRoy is my 2001 Lightning I just picked up 2 days ago. LeRoy is mostly stock aside from an exhaust and a cold air intake. And in this series we're going to go ahead and take care of some of the issues that plague these Lightnings, at least the stock ones. And maybe do some performance mods down the road and see what we can actually get out of him. But for right now, we're going to take LeRoy on our cruise up to Estes Park, Colorado, and see how he does. So why don't you go ahead and join me. So in the 2 days I've owned LeRoy, I've put about 500 miles on LeRoy. In 2 days. I like this truck. So one of the big things that I found with it is LeRoy's brakes are screwed, like warped bad. I'll show you up here in just a sec. Check this out. That's just under light braking. When you really get on the binders, LeRoy will shake the shit out of you. But yeah. Pretty scary, huh? Even with the few issues that LeRoy does have, he does make good noises. But we gotta get these brakes taken care of. They're bad. Yeah, really bad. Shake, 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 shake. I do love Colorado. This is about halfway up between Longmont and Estes Park, going to Allen's Parkway. But as you can see, this place is absolutely beautiful. If you haven't gotten to Colorado, definitely put it on your bucket list. It is definitely a beautiful place. So let's head back to the shop, get this beauty taken care of.